hope everybody is doing well. I know it's been a while, but I've been so crazy busy to make the video. So it's been a couple weeks. I guess it's been more than a couple weeks since I uploaded the video. So I hope everybody's doing well. By the way, I hope you liked my new YouTube intro video. I finally have intro video. So I hope you liked it. I would appreciate it if you comment down below what you think of it. Did you like the intro video? Do you think I should make some edits in that intro video? If anybody is wondering, that first photo of a dancer, yes, that is me, if you're wondering. That was me dancing tango. If anybody is wondering, I am a tango dancer as well. So that's me dancing tango. Anyway, let's get to what today's video is about. So today we have unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I've been working so hard. It's been just like crazy few weeks. I've been working and studying my ass off. And I just like been thinking I need a reward. I need to reward myself for this hard work. So I've been thinking about getting this item, but it was already sold out on Louis Vuitton website. But I was able to get this item through an SA. So it finally arrived. So let's open this item together. It's packed really well. So let's cut this open. My Bella says hello. Yes, they're checking it out. Oh my god! Do you look at this? There's no box. Where's the box? Oh my god! Where's the yellow box? It's just in the pouch. I've never received Louis Vuitton item like this before. This is kind of shocking. This is so poorly packaged. What is up with that? I'm kind of in a shock. This is how it arrived. I'm like in such a shock that I'm laughing. So here is the item that I ordered. So this is Toiletry pouch 26. I'm just a little bit speechless because of how the item arrived. What do you think of that? Like, can you guys comment down below? Have you guys received an item from Louis Vuitton like this without no orange box? No box, no ribbon, no card? There's no card, there's no receipt, there's nothing. Seriously, nothing. This is... Okay, let's just move past that and just inspect this pouch in detail. So this is made in France. There you go. The hardware. This is also like squished like this. No, don't touch that. It says this is all it has inside. Seriously, there's just this, and then this. Oh my god, I can't just get over that. I'm trying to get past it, but I'm just in shock. So let's just measure this. Okay, so this is supposed to be 26 centimeter, but as you can see right there, it's actually 25 centimeter. It's not even 26 centimeter. Is that right? Isn't this supposed to be 26 centimeter? Hey guys, I'm like seriously doubting everything now. Do I keep this? I ordered a Samorga organizer for this, but now I'm just like thinking, do I even keep this item? Like, I know it's super hard to find right now and it's already sold out on Louis Vuitton website, but it's just, I don't know. Do I keep this or do I return it? I mean, it looks like the pouch is in good condition. It's got wipeable inside. It looks like, is this, what does it say? It says, sorry. Coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. So this is not leather lining, it's synthetic. Okay, I know I was supposed to be super excited for this, like getting my hands on Toiletry 26, which is like already sold out, but I'm honestly disappointed. Okay, please you know, comment down below and let me know what you think. Do I keep this or do I return it? I don't know. I'll just think about it. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. And if you I'm like still in shock. But anyway, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up, even though this video was a little bit shocking for me at least. So anyway, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Bye.